Welcome back to my channel. It is Lexi here, and all my Lexi fans out there. So if you hear the background, that's just my little brothers and siblings, because they really are excited because we have a concert. Their school concert, horrible, is we have to film on the TV, and yeah, but that's not the title. The title is showing you guys my room tour, actually. So this is now how I'm going to have it for a while. Just so you know, my brother Ethan lives in here right now. I promise you, it won't be like this forever, but the bed will still be there. Okay, so if you walk in, okay, so if you walk in, there's my door. It's just a white door that got shut, and then you just open it. Freedom. First, you come over here. You turn. You see lights, and then a shelving. Okay, so over here, I have this light switch off, on. This red light outlet. So this is my cheetah little book, and then this is like my paper clip. Mom said no. Look. I don't think you guys want to hear that, but yeah, over here has 3 canvases from Christmas, and then this little notebook that has a cheetah. Did you know? Leopards. Leopards are excellent swimmers. It's really cool. And then I got this little cup from the Bloom doll that I got. A Bloom pet. And then inside is this. Oh! Inside is a little heart from Mountain. And inside it was like a cute little rainbow. I can detach. Oh! Thing just popped off. Sorry guys, I don't mean to be like that, but that was that's what's inside of this, kind of like a heart trapped in a cage. I've got this puppy journal, my sketchbook. That's what on the top to. It's like drawing, writing stuff. And I dropped this one, and it's here somewhere. Okay, Okay, I've got this thing that turns happy to like an awkward face. And it's just a narrow pen, and then it just goes in there like that. And that's my writing shelf. Okay, if you don't go down here, there's a flower. The pot says live, laugh, love. It has a heart. It has like a smile face. It has a little flower. And then a flower platform. DJ box. My makeup bag, like a little one. And then this little sequence heart thing from a rainbow card. And then yes, we have my backpack. And then I have this white mask suddenly hanging out there. That the little boys drawed on that. And it also has a cat keychain. And I also had this hat hanging on it, but it fell off. Okay. Last row. So just some baby clothes. My little light switch that goes for the light. And then this 100 camera film. This snake skin journal that I got for, I don't know. And then my water bottle. That's what's over by the shelves. There's only 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, if you come over here, some more of the lights over here. My sitting right. So emoji pillow that's flippies. And then they've got this pink poop emoji. And then this little ballerina puppy that I got for my first recital. And then this big, giant Beanie Boo unicorn. All of my books, but I've got more back there. And then styrofoam and a cactus bookmark. All of baby clothes initiative. And another hat. And then I've got a dragon fingerling, yellow rainbow cone. I've got a little unicorn squishmallow. I've got this white teddy bear. And this I just have silver unicorn and yellow bag. And then this is my shelf. So down here's my unicorn slippers. This is just chapstick, and all of these are canned things. And then this is just a Tic-Tac-Toe box that I got. And here are my fidgets. I will show you those in a second. Here's my remote control puppy with this little leash. This really good smelling bath bomb that's peppermint and lavender. Oh my gosh, it smells so good! And then I have my big bunny that I got for Easter. Oh no, not for Easter, but it was Easter time when I had to do something really weird with my teeth. And then a fidget box that's blue. It's kind of matching my nails. Here it is. Okay. So first you see this Pop-It. It's a DIY Pop-It. It's not finished yet. It goes purple. So you go. And there's just like pop things. This spike ball that is also squishy. Lights up. And then little orange one. And fidget spinners and a lot of other fidgets that you would recognize. But yeah. And then she likes to go to my curtains. That's it. And here's my bed. It's got blue bed frame. I've got fruit backpack, my little fruit backpack. These here and then my bed. So this like little design blanket that's really cool. And it also has a blue side for like winter. And then these fuzzy pink pillows and a fuzzy blue body pillow. And these design pillows that match that. And then this design pillow. And a little cute teddy bear. Look at that thing. Oh, so cute. And then my ballerina picture. And my mom actually put staples in do you see those staples? Yeah. And then so this says, lovely, precious, one of a kind, beautiful, sweet, happy, intelligent, wonderful, amazing, nothing. It just has flowers and leaves on it. My bench that has a blanket. A heater that you can put there. His old backpack. Your shoes. And then, yeah. And my elephant candle that you can barely see. Then here's his desk. He's got 3 boxes. His dog man, controller, and his dresser. And then his bed is just really plain. And then his clothes, you don't need to see that because there's underwear in there. Pink chair and a car that we don't use anymore. Closet. Rainbow corn, blanket, zebra. There's also stuff in there. And then here's random stuff. Here are all my shirts that I hang. and dresses. And then this, just like a really big bungee bag. And then that big pink box, and then more stuff. My hang-on. This is where I keep my jeans, shirts, leggings, pajamas, tank tops, and pants. And then I got markers up there. Here's my mirror. And then I've got my little bag full of makeup that I use daily. So I'll set you down. I'll show you guys what's in it. Okay. So first we have this palette that comes with, it says 21 color eyeshadow, 21 color eyeshadows, highlighter, and contour palette. And then it just says it in Spanish. And I'll show you. So first, come up to contours and, highlighter. Yeah, this one's an old one. And then 21 eyeshadows and a mirror. And then I have this fan brush that's to wipe off the side. And then I've got this brush to like put contour highlighter on. And then I've got that eyeshadow brush. And then I have some mascara. And that's what I keep in that bag. Really clean. And yeah, that's my hat on the ground. It's just under my bed. And I haven't shown you my Jojo. So my pajama. Jojo Zero Bows. I was obsessed with that. My dresser, scarf, stickers. This Lego house that I made because I was worried it really was this big. And then this looks like a book. It looks like a book, but it's actually a container, and it's a butterfly book. And then my watch. This candle that smells really good. It's another peppermint. And then I made this bath bombs actually. And then this skin therapy lotion. And then this body lotion. And then this that holds all my jewelry. And this says Dream on it. Then I have this succulent, and then these daisies are not even real. So you're behind my hanging area. The pink basket, I keep scrunchies, brushes, and comb. Some pictures, perfume in this little box, and then my blue light glasses, and this not good meal. And then down there I just keep a lot of stuff. Pictures. And that was and 2 flowers up there. And that was my room tour. Bye guys. I love you. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. And here's a little joke to cheer you guys up. Okay. So, why did the toilet paper get stuck on the street? I'll give you a few seconds. You're going to have to pause it to guess. And then unpause it to see the answer. So I'll give you 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here is the answer. He got stuck in a crack. Oh my gosh, that should probably cheer you up. That's really funny, actually. I like it. And yeah, there's also like a joke on Laffy Taffy that I forgot. And hopefully you guys love this video. make sure to like, subscribe, turn on this post notification bell, and yeah. And if you want to see my TikToks, go to it's Lexi Peters 22, and yeah, then you'll search up me, and you know what me looks like. Bye. See you guys next time. Yeah, it's been a long time since I filmed a video, but bye. Love you guys. Mwah.